Thought putting emotions in a box might be easy and locking it up tight would free me, but I'm nothing false, but man, it's crazy. I know we ended things in the front foot, forgive me. Heard you doing the soulful who's always told me about your plans and you took pointed to another level. I'm proud of you, great work that you did for the heart, from a mother to a child, you a great mom. I'm pretty sure the record you made will go far. Remember how we used to kick boss, and you told me I'm the best rapper by far. Lies, I'm fresh when I had you in a dual side hustle, knowing pretty well about the financial muscle and how we working our asses to the king's hustle. Man, it's tough out here, dream stuff on fierce, but I'm the soul to die your time. Kaya no pillar lady renza. What's about Jaka Hala Ripiban? Chirakona Hana Ragatan. It was all whack, go whack, Khalibi's a spot. Remember first jam session that we kept on, pressing playing live, and pressing people was the most pleasant part of my life. I'm breaking. Thought putting emotions in a box might be easy and locking it up tight would free me, but I'm nothing false by the I miss you. Let's put the differences aside and solve our issues. Oh, I got you some good news. We're recording a project and it's dropping very soon. Post kid is growing. Don't know it's proud to be a father too. Much is drumming, but that and some are feeling wild too. But I get all I need, no my cup of tea. My dreams are bigger, man, like about that ching. And my folks want me to attain the degree. Man, it's tough out here, no one really grinds my gears. Dream stuff from fears, but I listen to that your chan. Kaya no pillar lady redza. What's my jaka khala lipiban? It was all whack, khalibi's a respond. I wish you all the best. Get me going about PS.
Se me fo podium yo go fela saka gwatla go be pelo ya ka gawa tepo ga kala shwelwa ke molebo moya wa tswa dinameng ngwana mma. No gawe we tisitse nana ha ke belaele bo mamelletse bohloko le mahlaba gaitsedi ya ka gaitsedi ya mahwana le Mandela le sotsho le tsilo la sedimo sa itumele le fula ha o ke kenya hlotse ka twaiswa le kale ma up to this day I still don't understand why ba ka uvais tono jana se sitle ha se kelwe ke atisa le fuana ona le lenane kapa ya kaliyeme kapa wa mpakisa na tono jana se sitle ha se kelwe ke atisa le fuya ka ka bole bothonke o nya futse mala ke a fupa ga o tsitsele jwalo ka nyala si hatsetse kokothonke o kite ka setompo sa le o minika le patlelo tono jana se sitle ha se kelwe ke atisa Holona di nata di pankwetla ke a bitsa ayo se faletseng ka dimong ke a hoa ho fihleletse go kopane hape ka moka lefatsheng le letjha le se